For everyone with business account on TikTok, you need to know about this account verify, what you stand to gain. And if you fail to verify your business account on TikTok, what exactly you are likely missing as a result of failure to verify your TikTok account before the deadline by TikTok announcement. Let me quickly show you how. Now, for this is for every business account on TikTok, so always check on your inbox right here. Go ahead and open up your inbox. So when you open up your inbox, next thing you need to do here is to go ahead and click on system notifications right here. So you click on system notification, slide this way, then go ahead and simply click on account updates. So click on account updates, and it's going to load up right here. Now here you need to read a simple article right here. Get verified to keep business too. Click on here. Then here you go. All you have to do here is to simply read this simple article right here. What happened if I don't verify my business? Click on that, and this is exactly what will happen to your business account. If you do not complete business verification, your TikTok account will refer to being a personal account, and you instruct TikTok to retain your historical business data in accordance with TikTok data retention policy. Your personal account will have access to fewer features and can display business information. So what are the business information? Your account will no longer be able to add address again. Your address will not be displayed on your account as a business account again. Your phone number will not be displayed on your TikTok business account again. Your email address will not be displayed on your TikTok business account, and the link in bio will not be able to display on your TikTok business account again on your profile, or access business pages, lead generation tools, advanced messaging, video settings, and other tools right here. You can click on other tool right here and see all other business tools that you are likely to miss out if you fail to verify your business account in TikTok. You can see about TikTok account entitlement right here. Scroll down right here and read detail about what you are likely to miss as far as if you fail to verify your TikTok business account before the deadline. The more you scroll down, the more you see detail. You can read details right here. Now, how can you verify your business account? Just simply go back right here, and simply hit on verify now. Once you click on verify now, then follow the prompt and submit your business detail. You need to have a business license, and you need to have a corporate office building that embedded with your business name picture. You need to upload those pictures as well, then submit it, and then wait for feedback from TikTok. If you pass the criteria, your account will be fully verified and you retain the business features on your TikTok account. But if you fail, they will going to tell you that your proposal is failed, then you will have to modify or you resubmit your application. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about TikTok business account like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.